And welcome to the first edition of the State of Friartown. My name is Nick Rojas, and today we're joined by the Athletic Director of Providence College, Bob Driscoll. How you doing today, sir?
Couldn't be better, Nick. Happy to be here.
Happy to be here, too. So you wanted to do this monthly address, talk about the goings-on of Friartown, what's happened the past month, what's going on going forward. What's your big plan with this, this monthly address?
Well, there's so many exciting things happening in Friartown, and we have so many people, donors and supporters and prospective student athletes and everybody that loves the Friars out there want to know what's happening. And I thought this would be a great way to give kind of behind the door inside information to let them know about what we're planning and what our goals are and just kind of connect with everybody out in Friartown.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a big few years here in Friartown, actually, in fact. And this past year, we had the opening of Anderson Stadium for lacrosse. This upcoming fall, we're going to have men's and women's soccer playing there. But really, this summer, so far, what have you seen since graduation back in May? What's been kind of the big news that's been coming through?
Well, if you haven't stepped on campus anytime recently, you can get the vibe and the energy around it. I just took a tour with the Cooley cart around campus and went down to the new softball field, the soccer lacrosse stadium, the brand new tennis courts, the track. We drove out back to look at where the new Friar Ruane Development Center is going to start in September, and drove by the brand new business school, which will be opening up in January, the Art Ryan Business School. And when you see the transformation of campus, you can't help to get really, really excited. And then to see our student athletes working out and seeing our volleyball players and our basketball players, and the soccer team is coming back. There's an energy on campus that I haven't experienced in my past 15 years. So I'm really fired up to get it started.
And we are too as well. Now this month we have a few soccer games kicking off the opening of Anderson Stadium, and volleyball and all the other sports returning in the fall. Between now and the next time we're here in front of the cameras, what are you looking forward to this month of August and early September?
Well, we're going to do a staff retreat that I bring my life's coach in, a guy named Roland Todd that I've worked with for 25 years, even when I was at Cal, to really focus on how do we maintain this championship culture environment. We've got so many new people in Friartown. I think it's really important that they understand that we've had success. We're kind of at base camp, but now our goal is how do you consistently maintain that? And that really is about people like you. We just obviously hired you full-time. It's the first time in the history of the college that we've had a video coordinator, and you being a bomber and me being a bomber.
That's right.
It's great to have talented young people coming to Friartown. So I'm really excited to get my coaching hat back on to help my young people, my student athletes become the best that they can be. It's
going to be a fun month. Hopefully we get a few beach days in the mix there as well.
Right.
But thank you so much for doing this, and I'm looking forward to doing this with you about once a month, and I think this is going to be really good for the college and the athletic programs.
Thank you. And it's really important for everybody out there in Friartown to know how much we appreciate what you do for us, all these beautiful new facilities and the scholarships that our student athletes derive the benefit from. It happens because of your generosity. So I hope you feel the same pride and energy that we all feel in Friartown of the great success we've had. So thank you from the bottom of my heart.
All right, thank you so much, sir, and go Friars.
Go Friars.